Missed the amber light like an idiot. Okay, 15:22. The and fire. Hang on. 15:26 LNER Arizona from Aberdeen to London King's Cross, and the let's just leave it at that for now. We have got 225 set what's due at the same time, but it'll not happen. Can't see it anyway. Might do, because they've lowered us quite early. That's why I didn't get amber light when I should have done. I might have still got amber light, but I don't care. It's still going up. I'm not wasting my content and my charge to film and not get amber light. It's stupid. Seems stupid to get rid of it. Yeah, we've got one E15 first. Damn, I wanted it to be a double pass. It might still be it. I'll have to be incredibly lucky. And I mean very lucky. It could still be a double pass. No. Once you go through, right, we might get a bit of uptime then. Yeah, we have. I'm glad, because that were a chuffing shite closure.